Welcome to our tutorial on editing transaction descriptions and managing transaction rules in online banking. For the best experience, we recommend you use a laptop or desktop computer. With just a few clicks, it's easier than ever to manage your finances. These features are also available in mobile banking with similar steps. To get started, visit SchoolsFirstFCU.org and log in to online banking. From the Account Overview page, select your checking or savings account. In your Transaction Summary section, you'll now see the newly displayed merchant logos and automatically categorized transactions. Scroll down to view your transactions. To modify a transaction description, select a transaction to view its details. Under Description, click the pencil icon to rename the transaction description. Now you can type in your new transaction description. To apply this change to all transactions, add a check mark to the box next to Use this description for all past and future transactions. To only apply the change to this transaction, make sure the box is unchecked. Click on the green check mark to accept your new description. After you make a selection, you'll receive a message stating that the transaction description changed successfully. To manage your transaction rules, go to the My Accounts page and select one of your checking or savings accounts. Select a transaction to view the details and click on Manage Transaction Rules. From the My Accounts page, you can also find Manage Transaction Rules under the Quick Action section, located on the right-hand side of the page. From the Manage Transaction Rules page, you can see the rules that you've created. To edit a description, click the pencil icon and enter your new description. Select the green check mark to save your changes. In the upper right-hand corner of your web page, you'll see a pop-up message stating, Transaction Rule Updated. The Category section will immediately display the updates. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful.